Hi, Miss Ariana. My name is Justin Medico from Zero to STEM, and now I am explaining our hydroelectric power plant. So we choose so we choose this we choose a hydroelectric power plant because it uses the natural energy of moving water. The amount of power it generates it depends on how fast the water flows and how far it falls. This process doesn't create any greenhouse gases, waste heat, or air pollution, making it clean and environmentally friendly friendly way to produce energy. The theme of our power plant is inspired by a lighthouse, which represents how our power plant helps light the way to more sustainable future. Uh, the hydroelectric power plant works by using water stored in a reservoir. When the water is released, it flows through pipes and spins turbine blades or our turbine with plastic bottle caps, which turns the energy from the moving water into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy drives a generator to produce electricity. So sa pag-ikot niya po, magpo-produce rin po siya ng electricity. Hydropower plant, hydroelectric power plant also helps with important tasks like mga flood control po and mga environmental management like sa about po sa tubig, making it essential part of both for both energy production and environmental sustainability. So yung so how does it work po? So inside the cylindrical structure, we have a car battery po that powers a small pump. The pump pushes water up po, then through a tube creating a steady flow lang po ng water. The turbine is connected to the generator. Yung turbine po nakakonect po siya sa generator. Then yung shaft po, sa generator shaft po. Then which transfer shaft po by rubber band. May rubber band po dun sa generator na yun, which transfer the spinning motion po. Then after po ng the rubber band po, yung rubber band po sa generator sa shaft po, which transfers the spinning motion po. As the turbine spin po, it turns the shaft, changing into mechanical energy into electrical energy. This electrical energy po travels through the copper wire and the powers things like fairy lights. Nagpa-power po siya ng mga fairy lights, then yung mga light bulb po na nasa taas po ng lighthouse. Yun po yung mga pinapower niya. Then completing is cycle po. Completing the cycle. Ito lang po yung mga simple process na nagagawa pwede pong magawa ng hydroelectric power plant. And ito pong hydroelectric power plant na to, pwede rin ito magamit talaga kasi po we can use natural resources po like water, parang hindi po agad tayo parang makukulangan. Thank you and bye bye.